What is it about you that I can't help but fall in love with you over and over again? It's been so long since we have connected intimately. I'm burning with desires for you. I'm afraid to express this all to you. I don't want you to think wrongly about me. I love you. That's why I am highly attracted to you. Please don't view me as a creep. I'm keeping my distance out of respect. I have been working on my insecurities because I want a healthy relationship with you without any fear of getting abandoned. I have taken my power back from many situations and now I am staying firm. I want a fresh start with you. I want to restart my own life in a more healthy way. I don't want to cause you any more stress. I know you are also hoping for our reunion. I'm extremely sorry for turning my back on you when you need my love and support the most. We hope you are enjoying the content this far. By subscribing below, you will gain access to all our latest videos and stay updated with our channel.